Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to settings, then go to connections, and here select mobile hotspot and tethering and turn on the button against mobile hotspot and click over mobile hotspot, and here I have set password to none because of demo purpose. I set password to none, but you should use some password because other person may connect to your hotspot. Okay, so it is better to use hotspot password. Okay, here I don't use password for demo purpose. I have created mobile hotspot in my phone. Now go to your TV and select settings there, and here select additional settings, and here select network and internet, and click on the signal you received from your phone, that is called here Galaxy S23 Ultra. Just click on it and it will be connected to your phone. Your TV will be connected to your phone. Yes, connected successfully. Now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. And search the term Google Home, and install this Google Home app in your phone. Install Google Home app in your phone. Just wait for downloading and installing. Yes, download completed and installation is done, and click on open. Now click on get started and click on next. Give all permissions and click on OK and click on next. Do permissions again and click on next and give permission. And if it is asking you to turn on Wi-Fi, don't do it. Just click on activate and it will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi. But if you turn on Wi-Fi, your hotspot will be deactivated. So just go to home screen. Okay, just go to home screen like this, and then again go to open the Google Home app. Again open it, and here click on next and click on not now. And here click on the devices option, and you will find the devices, that is device your TV device, that is called here Android TV. Just click it and click on cast my screen. Click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See here. Yes, what I see in my phone screen, that is also seen in my TV. If you want to adjust the volume, you got to move this pointer in the clockwise direction. Okay, so volume will be increased. If you move in anti-clockwise direction, volume will be decreased. Okay, in this way you can also set a volume. Okay, so whatever I go in my mobile screen, that is also seen in my TV. In this way you can easily do screen mirroring with any Android TV using Google Home app in your phone, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.